see if it's ready. Okay, so it springs back in the middle. So that looks pretty good. So I'm just gonna flip this over. I'll be back with you in just a second. While I flip this over. Boom. All right, flipped over. And it's hot, so look out. It's got some air bubbles in it, but that's okay. Air bubbles are just fine. All right, so now I'm gonna take a knife and I'm gonna cut it in half. Just eyeball it. And I've got 2 slices of bread. And I'm gonna put a piece of cheese on each slice. And get some of my ham. And I really like ham, so I'm gonna use a nice amount. And then put that on top. And there's my sandwich. And now what I'm gonna do is plop it in the frying pan. And I'm just gonna grill it in that butter.